Save Our Futures event is our annual school celebration, and it's our community event where we invite not just family but the wider community as well to learn about the project that we do in the spring term here at Liberty Woodland School. This event is really about empowering the children, for teaching them they can be the change makers and they can have an impact on the wider world, and that the power to change the future belongs to not just a few but to all of us. The children started work on this project in early January, and because of the nature of the way that we work at this school, the children co-create the projects, which gives great responsibility to children at a very young age in order to define their goals, as well as timeline planning and all those skills that come into real world challenges. I think if they're getting out from age 4, they're going to be hugely prepared for the future.
Rumi has loved coming to the school. The learning opportunities he has actually excite him. It's not your typical school, but that's what makes it so much more enjoyable for him.
We use the natural world around us to ensure we've got those real life connections every day, as well as to support mental health and well-being.
They develop a growth mindset from the very beginning of their education journey, and they feel safe to take chances. They know their work will always be valued and praised, and this allows them to excel in what they're doing.
Well-being underpins everything we do. If you are safe, then you can be happy, and if you feel safe, you can learn. You're allowed to be who you are, you're welcomed, you're valued. We all learn from each other. We've got this third teacher environment which we can learn from, and by valuing their interests, we can do incredible things.
It's important to have an audience for your work, to share it to the world. We can inspire adults to try to save the planet as well.
Liberty loves the world, and I think the children naturally love our world, and I think it's so important for them to explain to the community that this school cares about the environment. That's what I love about this day, is that we're trying to show what the school's all about.
When you have a progressive approach to education, I think it's incredibly important to bring the community in. What's amazing about the school is that they bring people in and engage the community in what's happening here.
I think it's really interesting for parents to come and see, and members of the community to come and see what all of the different age groups have achieved. When they come into school and they look at what the children have achieved, they're often quite taken aback at the age of the children, and then they're surprised by the depth in which these children are working in their projects. The children hear that feedback, and it's really validating for them, and it really makes them feel proud and makes them feel empowered. They know that they've worked hard, they know that they've achieved, and they know that they are inspiring change. And that's what we want for our children.